news coming in, which is coming in from Pakistan. The Press Trust of India is reporting that a court in Islamabad has ordered the arrest of former Pakistani military dictator Pervez Musharraf. Security personnel have taken Musharraf away from the court complex before the police could arrest him. This is what we are getting in. Suhasini Haider is now joining us on the phone line. Suhasini, only sketchy details coming out of Pakistan. Do you have anything more?
Absolutely, Shreya. We're just looking at those pictures of General Musharraf being whisked away by his security forces. It still remains to be seen just who was part of it. We know that Musharraf is right now secured by police and rangers in Pakistan. His bail was, in fact, cancelled by that Sindh High Court just a short while ago, and before the police could move in to give him to take him into custody, we saw him leaving the premises. Of course, it remains to be seen whether he can actually just flee from arrest in this way. For the moment, it's really something that's developing as we speak. Share, remember, Musharraf himself faces many cases. Over the weekend, he did not show up for one of the critical cases against him, that of lax security in the assassination of Benazir Bhutto. This is by far a more serious offense against him and judges detention. He's even been accused of treason in terms of his actions during the emergency in Pakistan in 2007, where he ordered the arrest of about 62 judges. Now, in that case, what we understand is that his bail application that was pending today was cancelled by the Islamabad High Court there. Remember, he had been given bail in the Sindh court when he reached back to Pakistan some weeks ago. In the interim weeks, he's also faced other kinds of problems. All four of the nominations he had filed for elections, for example, had been cancelled by the Election Commission. But this remains really the biggest blow for him yet. The fact that the court has now cancelled his bail, that he is expected to be taken into custody. It just remains to be seen where he has headed right now. Remember, Musharraf does have a home on the outskirts of Islamabad in a farmhouse area called Chak Shehzad. Has he headed there? In which case, will the police be able to take him into custody? Unconfirmed reports, Shreya, that perhaps he does have some kind of protection from the army. But for the moment, all that we can say is what we've seen, which is pictures of Musharraf's car driving out, speeding out of the Islamabad courts just a short while ago, straight after his bail was cancelled.